Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off dark mode on YouTube. So, without wasting time, let's start video. The process is same either you are using mobile or iOS devices. So, firstly, open the YouTube app and then click on bottom. You will see at bottom right, click on it. After that, you will see setting option on top right, click on it. After that, click on general and then click on appearance, and on appearance you will see three options: use device theme, light theme and dark theme. When you will click on light themes, your light theme will be enabled. So in this way you can turn off dark theme on YouTube. So if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.